Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to watch ads in Webtoon. Now let us begin. Note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to watch the ads. Now let's say I select this Webtoon right here. And as you guys can see, at the top, there is something like this. 7 coins or watch an ad. I'm simply gonna click on this chapter right here. And once I do that, this thing will open up like ad pause, single episode or single episode with premium benefit. Right now, simply select the first option, that is ad pause. Now in context that an ad is available, simply click on this button that will pop up right here. And as such, you will be able to watch ads in Webtoon. And finally, you can read the chapter. Well guys, that is it. That's how you watch ads in Webtoon. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.